bike back out here. So today is a bike day, and I'll be talking about few things on engine noises. So let me just tilt the camera down. I hope you guys can hear me. Oh, this is this. Okay. This. So, okay. So now what sound you're hearing is nothing but just stuck piston rings. Most people think this is a ring noise, you need to change the ring. No. If you add little more extra duty oil in your tank, it's fine. Or just let it idle for a while, like for 10-15 minutes. The sound is normal, and most likely it's your clutch bell, not your rings. In this case, I had a ring noise on this, but now this is a clutch bell. It's the clutch bell noise, and check if you have ring noises. Check if your bike is getting duty oil or not. In this case, my bike is pumping up duty oil. As you can see, it's splattered over there on the intake manifold. So my bike pump is working good. So let me guys zoom in for the splatter. So you can see that oil content right here. See? So in this case, my bike does splatter oil, which is telling your bike that if the oil is going in or not. And make sure your two oil hoses are not cracked. If you have a cracked two oil hose, this is not a thing. This is just the upper booting, which I'll be replacing also. But if you have a two oil hose crack, then yes, there might be little two oil leaks and the pump won't suck properly because there's air in the system. If there is air in the system, you see these 3 bolts? Remove these 3 bolts, there will be a two oil pump. Inside the two oil pump, there's a bleed screw. Remove the bleed screw and run the engine. At this time you can use premix. At this time you can use premix. But yeah, nothing will happen for a few while. But if there is air in your pump, bleed it out. It is very dirty, and people think, worst case of scenario, that oil drips out of my exhaust. Well, oil dripping out of your exhaust is nothing. It's not any major problem, or no, it's just normal. In this case, this bike was sat for 2 months, and if I started it up 4 weeks ago. So in the video it says change the indicator bulb. At the time it was sitting for 2 months. So because of that, what happens, the oil stays inside of here. So when the oil stays inside of here, now I think so you can see it better. The oil stays inside of this flange area, which is hot. It stays inside of here. What happens is there's no seal here. So this is not a place where the seal is there. So this is just a normal place. So in this case, so what happens is when the engine runs, the air pressure from the exhaust pushes the oil out. So hope you guys are hear me over the sound of the engine. So this is what happens. So these are not main issues. And in this case, to identify the clutch bell noise, just hold the clutch of the bike. As you can see, the noise decrease. That's the clutch bell noise and nothing else. So don't you guys be scared. There's nothing wrong with your bike. These are silly engine noises. I got scared. As you can see, absolutely there's no engine noise. That is because of just stucking rings. Rings will get stuck. If it's any engine, it will get stuck. If it's just sitting for a long time, any two-stroke engine will have common ring stuck issues. So anyway, hope you guys got to know what this problem was. Hope it is helpful. Here we go. That feels pumping. Really good, really good. The feels pumping really good. So anyway guys, hope you guys know what is stuck rings. So this video might be good for you if you have problems and engine sound like this. Don't worry, either it might be just stuck rings or just your clutch bell noise. But clutch bell noise can come, you can drive like that if you drive it very less. But I say, due to lockdown, I'm not getting any spares for this. Usually if it's not even lockdown, you won't get OEM spares. It's very rare. You have to search everywhere. So this is lockdown time guys. I can't get it from somewhere else and deliver it. So anyway, so the clutch bell is noise in the bike. It's just starting now. But the rings were stuck, right? So when the rings were stuck, you can identify if you hold the clutch and the noise does not go, but it's still coming like that. It's just your rings stuck. Nothing. Leave it for idling for 10 minutes or 5-10 minutes. Your rings will be 10-15 minutes, and you leave it idling. It will be fine. Nothing is problem. There's no problem. These bikes are long lasters, so they don't have usually problem if you maintain them properly and use proper fuel ratio with fuel. And what I prefer is if a bike does not have a fuel pump, then it might have a lot of fuel content, so it needs to go through the petrol. But these bikes are tuned for race. These are used for races, so there's no problem. That's just a stuck ring sound which you guys will hear. So if you have these problems, it's basically just stuck ring. A piston sound will be more loud. You can't hear the engine silencer beat as well. It will be so loud that you can't hear the beat of the silencer. You will hear the piston hitting, piston noise. Or if your ring broke, ring noise, or if your connecting pin bearing broke, that noise. So yeah guys, hopefully this video helped you guys a lot. That's it for this video. This is your Shashank and please like, share, subscribe, comment down below for more RX tips and more engine related videos, and a part 2 of engines will be coming soon. So bye bye. Bye bye guys.